folks, welcome to another video. Wednesday morning today, quite early in the morning. I've just got the truck loaded up, or the trailer loaded up. I'm off to pick up a car in a minute, which is why I wanted to get a video done before I go. Right, let's see what we've got. So this one here, this was the one you saw with the whole rear quarter damage. As you can see, that is now done. That is being picked up this morning, I believe. So that was the side that was damaged, whole rear quarter. Come out really well, I think you'll agree. So that's that one. This was the one that Roy had on his ramp. He was doing full seals, loads of work on that one. That's also now done, just waiting the final clean. That one is in, I think that's both seals on that one. No, it's not. That one's a differential, it's got noisy diff. This is the one that's both seals. Show you what they look like now. So you see here, all the way along there. So that'll probably be inner and outer seals on that. See that on both sides. Sorry, it's a bit windy out here today. What else have we got? What's that one? Oh, I can't remember what that one's in for. Don't know, can't remember that one. That's our Jasper Conran. That's known as Maisie, that car. If I haven't mentioned that before. That one came in, we had a bit of a problem with that. That was one we did a load of paint on the back end and basically needed flattening and polishing. It kind of, something weird happened, but that's been sorted and being collected today. I'm causing problems now with where my truck's parked. I'll be in trouble. They're all right next door, but they do get a bit annoyed if we box everything in. We've affectionately called this one Old Flaky, as you can see why. But that one's been in various videos. Unfortunately, it hasn't gone to repair that we hoped it would. But we started putting it back together again. It's just masked up to do the black line along the bottom. We need to do it the other side. All that's left on this now is an underseal, I believe. And I've noticed one of the brakes is binding. Actually, I've been working on that, because Grant's he's off for a while because of his hand operation, which I think I've mentioned before. Jake has been... You alright, Jake? You alright, Roy?
Yeah.
That's a bit aggressive.
Yeah. Bring this in a house now.
So this is the one Jake's been doing, lots of welding on the back end. We've just discovered... Well, we knew we had to do some work on the A-pillars, but once I got the wings off, that was worse than expected. So windscreen's got to come out. The other side's not so bad, is it, Roy?
Just a couple of pin off.
Yeah, just a little pin. I'll fix the camera, by the way. Put it on the right setting.
That's good.
That helps. Roy's not doing anything.
No, I'm lazy.
He's going to be doing that diff. Ashley has been doing this one, and it's having, amongst other things, skid nation brace and butterfly brace. But we discovered a problem. Don't know how well this will come out on the camera, but we might have to replace this brake line, because underneath that mounting there is very thin. And Chris has been carrying on with this. So now all the welding is done. He's putting Meisters on it. They've been fitted, and I think they've both been fitted, all been fitted, or has he still got the back end to do? No, back end's done. We've gone to change the rear anti-roll bar, because it actually had a thicker anti-roll bar on the back than it did on the front, which is not ideal. So we put a standard one back on there, and he started cleaning it up from the underseal, as you can see. So that'll be we'll be finishing that off, cleaning up the rest of it, and then undersealing it, and then that's being stripped for a full repaint, which is good. Yeah, I think that is it. So yeah, quite a short video that, wasn't it? I sort of wanted to do something before that green one was picked up, because I wanted to show that completed with that rear quarter repair. I'll tell you what, maybe I'll show you. I'll open the boot on that. We've got a bit of time to kill on me, because it hasn't taken very long. That's the key. I shall show you the open boot and show you all the shots on that, of how well that's all come together. Bear with me a second. Sorry guys, I'm very well prepared, and I've got the wrong key. Have I? No, I've got the right key. Right, yeah. So this had a new boot lid, and the boot carpet wasn't in it when it came to us, if I remember rightly. Sorry. So yeah, so all the shuts. So bearing in mind that's had a whole quarter, we reinstate the shut and the seam exactly as it was as standard. And go to door shut. So that looks all completely original. There was no sticker there actually, otherwise we would have reinstated that as well. So yeah, so all round it, and all the spot welds. So for anyone looking at this car going forward, there's just some watermarks on there if you saw that. No one will know. It's not that we're trying to deceive anyone, but from the customer's point of view, that car looks completely original. All the shut lines look all tickety-boo. Alright, well, there you go, successfully managed to fill that video out a little bit. Alright folks, thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.